Don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's Countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people's faces. No matter how them are going, like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Viewers' discretion is advised. One more time. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yes, my wonderful people. May I introduce a set of bottom feeder criminals to you. Now, you see that boy, them call him Pops. So them call him Pops like me say. But him real name a Denzel. That boy, a Bagatelle, him come from. And me I go show you him so-called boss. But one thing me I try understand. Them have in the gang culture and the gang life or the gang world, the gang lingo. They're so quick to use the terminology boss. You understand? The man there are the boss of this. The man are the boss of Bagatelle. The man are the boss of this. The man are the boss of that. The man. It doesn't make sense to me. Number one, no boy can't be the boss, a countryman. Me and my own a bumbuckler boss. You understand? So that's a very puzzling. So I guess that would coincide with fear. So if people fear you, you become the boss. But one thing I tell the boss then, you see when people fear you, you're gonna end up in a bad situation. If you're a boss, you can make people love you. This dude was involved in the gold robbery. You remember the robbery of the Trinidadian man who came to St. Lucia with his pop-up jewelry, and the man then went into the hotel and robbed the man. I don't know who gave that Trinidad man that brilliant idea to come to St. Lucia, and he was there, he came before, and I'm quite sure the first time he came he had a good response. That's why he came back, and they probably lower him back down there, you know what I'm saying? But this guy here, his name is Pops, and him involved in the gold robbery. That's Kodak little brother. And let me tell you something. The man then is a menace in Bagatelle. Now, it is also alleged that he is involved in White Boy and Sherman killing, you know. So, this boy Pops right here, so him is a straight bottom feeder, dunce bat. So, may I put it out there and people have to be aware of these things. I am not done. May have more. Look at that picture right there. Them dressed like boyfriend and girlfriend. The youth on the left is Soso, and the youth on the right is Pops. Him about the big machine in the front picture, front part of this video. It is said that Soso is the boss of Pops, and that Soso him have a bigger boss in Bagatelle. Now listen to this. The so-called boss of Soso is a bottom feeder out of Bagatelle, by the name of Marlon. When I listen to this, so like me said, Pop Killer Fiend boss or Soso and another boss. I don't understand where the money I get out of this boss thing, but straight prison and death. Now, let's continue this video. So right now, me I ring the alarm and me I tell the police them, say, listen, you see them boy here in a Bagatelle, the boy Pops and Soso, no man them are going with enough things. Now, me I tell this and me I give the police them the hint. Cause yo, me get mad now, and me get pissed off now. Sherma and White Boy killing. I remember them kill Sherma and White Boy. You understand? Cause White Boy, he was a nasty motherfucker too, you know. But Sherma and White Boy killing. The boy a Pops. Cause him have the big machine. I true me don't really want to show the picture, cause you know YouTube stay. But when you can go to the WhatsApp group. You understand? Police, you need to keep an eye on them boy. And that me I tell you. A lot of the thing that's going on in Bagatelle, them responsible for it. And like me said, the boy Soso and Pops, I have couple more youth there. As me get my intel, me I go drop it and make you know. So listen, check out them youth here, and that me I tell the St. Lucia police force. And me I tell the people them what's going on. And that's all me have to say. Check out Pops and Soso and them with the gold thing in a Bagatelle and other things them do. So yo, Sherma and the boy, White Boy, are them responsible for it. So yo, Mr. God, see me again another case to solve. You understand? And that's all me have to say. Listen. My name is Countryman.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.